Welcome!
Ahem. Welcome to another educational computer science video. This video will explain the technologies behind the websites you know and love. Some of your favorite websites are possible thanks to these technologies. So, without further ado, let's begin.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold.
So let us introduce our 3 stars. First up is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Secondly, we have CSS. CSS is an acronym for Cascading Style Sheet. Finally, there's JavaScript, which stands for JavaScript. Together, they are the 3 essential technologies of World Wide Web production due to their widespread use in the majority of websites, plus the fact that all browsers support them free of charge and those that don't are considered inefficient and useless. So, no biggie. But why are these languages needed? Well, one can't just tell a browser what to do in English. If you tried, the result would be a bit like this.
Hey Mom, say who want lasagna? Who want lasagna?
No, you need to speak in a language your browser understands. Like this.
Bah!
And that is what these 3 languages allow you to do. HTML uses something called markup tags. The use of tags allows the browser to understand and interpret the page content properly. Opening tags are a set of pointed brackets containing a syntax. Closing tags are the same thing, with a slash after the first bracket. Tags are put around text to tell the browser how to display the content. Tags can be used to bold text, create headings, make links, embed images, watch videos, play games, plan your date, crush your dreams, find your dad, assassinate the president, cure cancer, wipe out Canada, and more. But HTML is like a programming language. It takes time to learn, and if you use tags incorrectly, you'll come off as completely incoherent. Like,
Are you sober now?
No, yeah. I'm never, but
so once you master tags, you could be creating websites at the click of your fingers. So, you've made a website with HTML and are taking a well-earned bathroom break. But you hear a noise.
If I'm here by myself, then who's in the bathroom?
Hello?
That's right. HTML is not alone. The demon rabbit you saw there is CSS. HTML does a lot, but CSS defines the look and layout of a web page. Its visual capabilities far outclass HTML. So do they often fight about which is better? No, there is no animosity between HTML and CSS. In actual fact, they often work together. HTML does things like describe the content of a web page. Then HTML refers the browser to the CSS to make said content look pretty. Let's take a look at CSS doing its work.
I want you to look at all of those wiggles. Oh my gosh, wiggles. Oh my gosh. Of course you can go straight. Oh my gosh. I love this. Are they incredible or what? Okay, calm down, Dee. And it's done. Yes. Do you see that? On a card. Breathing heavy. Oh. Yes. Yes.
Those arousing patterns and sexy wiggles you saw there are the result of layout tags. Layout tags are what CSS uses to define the look of various HTML elements. For example, if someone wanted to be horrible, diabolical, and commit an atrocity on par with human trafficking, they could set the font of all headings to Comic Sans. HTML did have layout tags initially, but since the advent of CSS, it has been advised that one should use CSS over presentational HTML. For those who feel uncomfortable making the transition, listen to this inspiring speech from a respected celebrity.
I think you should experience it. You always say I want to experience things, but I don't think you actually want to experience things because you would experience it if you wanted to experience things. I don't know what you're talking about.
So, you've learned about HTML and CSS. But what about the third? Well, get ready. Because JavaScript is washing in. JavaScript is the most used programming language in the world. HTML tags create objects. Then JavaScript comes in and makes those objects do fancy tricks. An example could be, HTML makes a paragraph of text using the p tags. Then JavaScript makes the text play dubstep when you click it. Or maybe HTML is embedding a picture of someone, and clicking it makes the image change. I'm just kidding. Not even JavaScript could give someone so pathetically skinny muscles. But remember when I said HTML was a language that needed to be learned? Well, JavaScript, an actual programming language, is even harder to learn. Trying to do fancy tricks when you don't know what you're doing can go very wrong. But when you do know what you're doing, beautiful. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic programming language. It has many functions and features to make things with. The possibilities are endless. Programmers can even create fun in-browser games for you to play. Shall we play a quick game? Nice one. JavaScript is not even restricted to use on HTML pages. It can break free and work with PDF documents, desktop widgets, etc. Those with control over JavaScript could potentially destroy the entire internet. Because JavaScript can be used to download viruses onto your computer, extra caution must be taken when online. Say you see a GIF of a cute doggy.
You're a cute one. Do you like squeaky toys?
Clicking it may backfire. So, in a nutshell, HTML describes the content. CSS does the aesthetics. JavaScript adds interactivity. Or, in more layman's terms, HTML makes a human. CSS makes it look interesting. JavaScript codes its interactions. And there you have it. It is thanks to these three technologies, we have been able to receive amazing content like this, on our screens at home, school, local cafe, and anywhere you have internet access. It was a pleasure teaching you all again. Thank you for watching.